Ito lalaki.
Sabihin mo.
Hello guys. Kumakain kami ng crab. Ayan, ang sarap crab. Hello guys. Ito, babae. Luto na to guys. Tapos ito, lalaki. Yung parang kinain na. Sige, kain na. Kakain na kami. Kain kami, kapatid ko yun. Halika dito, nunay ko yan. Ito guys, Ito guys, ayan.
The bees descend. The bear watches the bees swarm Snow White. The toast still stuck to her red dress. He topples from the bush. They turn away from Snow White.
Ang tarapon yung aligi.
Ayan, nanonood kami ng 7 Days.
The nest.
Kasi
They beeline into the bottom
ganda
hole of
kasi
their
eh.
hive.
Hindi namin yan napapanood ngayon lang.
The bear turns to the toast on Snow White's back. He runs over and reaches for it. Snow White grabs his hand. The bear's eyes bulge. At the pig's house,
Hello guys!
he cracks.
Kain akyap!
The bear
Ito
runs away from
babae.
Snow White's grasp.
Ito ay yaki.
At the cottage,
Hello guys! Kain akyap! Ay babae. Ay yaki. Oh, babae kabuy.
Nalaglag na, sira.
Sorry guys, nalaglag.
the bears grab pine cones
Walang basag guys.
in their fuzzy ears.
Sorry guys.
The bear
Pa, walang
shakes
basag
the bucket
pa.
and looks at candlesticks on the mantle.
Bakit kasi nilagay mo dyan? Dito na lang sa may saging.
I-cancel mo na, okay na yun.
Hindi, okay lang.
Magbabay ka nga.
Hello guys! Bye guys! Bye! Ay, my name is Priya. Ito yung papa ko si...
Snow White and the mouse watch the bear.
Tawagin mo na lang JR. Tapos ito na lang si Santi. Ha! Hello guys! Bye-bye guys!